So students, let us go through the electronic configuration of lanthanides. That is 4F elements, 4F block elements. Okay, the 4F block elements are called lanthanides. 5F block elements are called actinides. Okay, let us go through quickly once. I have written down all the names of the elements, symbols of the elements, and we will just go through the names also. Okay, the general formula for this 4F block elements is 4F 1 to 14. 5D 0 and 1, 0 or 1. Okay, it may take 0 or 1 and 6 is 2. Okay, the first of all we'll go with the names of the elements with the symbol. This is actually lanthanum. This does not go with the 4F block. Lanthanum after coming cerium, 14 elements. There are 14 elements. Cerium, from cerium to you have lutetium. Till then you have 14 elements. These are called by name lanthanides. Okay, so since they are following lanthanum, we call them as lanthanides. We'll just go with the name of the elements first. La is lanthanum, symbol La. Okay, lanthanum. Ce cerium, Pr praseodymium, Nd neodymium, Pm promethium, Sm samarium, Eu europium, Gd gadolinium, Tb terbium, Dy dysprosium, Ho holmium, Er erbium, Tm thulium, Yb ytterbium, Le lutetium. Okay. For that we have to go with the name of the elements which just we have seen now, isn't it? These are the basic things you need to know. For that we are going to see the atomic number also, number of electrons in each of the elements. Lanthanum 57, cerium 58, praseodymium 59, neodymium 60, promethium 61, samarium 62, europium 63, gadolinium 64, terbium 65, dysprosium 66, holmium 67, erbium 68, thulium 69, ytterbium 70, lutetium 71. Okay. First of all, what you need to do, first the nearest noble gas configuration is xenon in all these cases. You know lanthanum, it goes with the xenon, which is the noble gas configuration, nearest noble gas configuration for lanthanum. So next consequent successive elements will go with that only. So we'll just write down the xenon configuration first over here, all over the elements, and with the atomic number 54 for xenon. And then as I told you, it takes the general configuration 4F 1 to 14, either 1 or 2 or 3 like that, it goes up to 14, and 5D 0 or 1 and 6S2. So we'll just put down 4F, 5D and 6S2 first. Okay, 4F, 5D and 6S2. 6S2 common for every element. Okay, 4F, what are the, what is that number of electron in that 4F alone? How to find out? You go with that 1 to 14, you know how you have done for D block elements. The same way for F block there are 14 elements as well, that electrons get into that F orbital is 14. So you just write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that till 14. And then you remove for lanthanides 2 and 8. Okay, you have to omit 2 and 8. So when you are omitting the two numbers, you will go with the 1, and also you know 7 and 14 you need to go with the half filled and full filled as it is, that is 7 7 only, 14 14 only. The remaining you can write it down by omitting the two numbers 1 3 4 5 6 7 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 14, because 8 there is no 8, so I have brought down that 9 is over, so write down that 10 next. The same way 2 is not there, write 3 over here. Once 3 is over, we write down 4. Now take down these numbers to fill this 4F column. Okay, in all the 4F from lanthanum after. Lanthanum is going with the 0 only, because that is not a 4F block element. It goes with 0 only. Whereas 4F cerium goes with the 4F1, just filling that 1, this one, number 1 over here, first element. Then number 3 goes with the second element, like that you keep filling. 1 3 4 5 6 7 7 then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. As these numbers what you have written here with the orange color, the same numbers are entered over here. Okay, now 5D we need to enter. Okay, this alone we have to find out. Okay, once this is over, once filling this 4f and 6s2 over 6s, we know that all are with 2 electrons only. So we need to find out only 5D. Now how I have entered 1, 0, 0, 0 like that I will tell you. So what I have done, we have to do, take this cerium is 58, right? Keep that in mind, 58, and add these numbers 54 plus 1. This 5D is, let it be X or we don't know. Okay, add these other numbers, whatever the numbers you have given already, that is 54 plus 1, 55, and 6s2, 57. 2 there are. So 55 plus 2, 57. Then you subtract from 58. So 58 minus 57, it comes to 1. So 5D takes 1 electron. Okay, like that. Here promethium 59 total, but we have already filled in with 54 plus 3, 57 plus 2, 59. So 59 minus 59, 0. Same way, neodymium, you go with the 54 plus 4, 58 plus 2, 60. Again the number is 60 only. 60 minus 60, 0 only. In the same way, promethium, 54 plus 5, it is 59 plus 2, 61. So again 0. In the same way, when you go with that, you could find that here gadolinium, 64 this is. 54 plus 7, 61. 61 plus 2, 63. 64 minus 63, it is 1. 64 minus 63, it is 1. So the 5D takes 1 electron. In that way, we have filled in all the in all the cases for other 14 elements. For the remaining 7 elements also I filled in, and it is now the easy way to go through the or to write down the configuration, electronic configuration of lanthanides. Please children, go through it and learn it. Learn the names first and also the atomic number so that it will be easy for you to go with this. Thank you.